Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC has an active Wi-Fi adapter and you are using an admin account. Open Settings or Control Panel. Enable the adapter if disabled. Next, update network drivers so the hotspot is stable. This avoids connectivity drops. Once done, choose a clear SSID and a strong password, using WPA2 or WPA3 for better security. These steps make the hotspot reliable, and they prevent common permission and driver issues before you create the network. Now you configure the hotspot itself. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, then Mobile Hotspot on Windows. Select the internet source, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, because the adapter shares that connection. Make a deliberate band choice, 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed. Click Edit to set SSID and password, then enable the hotspot. Once enabled, check the hotspot name and credentials on screen and copy them to your phone or tablet. This ensures devices can find and join immediately without guesswork. Finally, connect client devices by selecting the hotspot SSID in their Wi-Fi list and entering the password you set. Monitor speed and limit simultaneous connections in hotspot settings to prevent congestion. If a device cannot connect, first restart the PC hotspot and the client. This often clears temporary conflicts. If problems persist, update or reinstall the Wi-Fi driver, check firewall rules that may block sharing, and verify the adapter supports hosted networks. These actions resolve most common connectivity problems swiftly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.